After a major price correction, Shiba Inu has dropped more than half of its all-time high price. We all know that a major Shiba Inu price pump is coming. Yes, we are talking about Robinhood listing. Every Shiba Inu holder is waiting for the announcement of SHIB listing on Robinhood. How much price pump can be affected with this listing? Why crypto analysts like Don Alt and David Goldstein believe that this is a good time to buy more SHIB tokens? These questions will be answered today's video. Further, we will also discuss Robinhood statements about Shiba Inu coin and the expected price pump that experts are expecting after this listing. So stick around for that because today's video is full of price boosting Shiba Inu updates. So let's get started. Meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has been on a fire literally, while many SHIB fans have been gunning for it to rise to 1 cent. Fellow meme crypto Dogecoin has been in the wilderness. Meanwhile, SHIB fans have been lobbying to get Robinhood to add the crypto. The popular trading app already has Dogecoin on its platform. Many SHIB holders are holding millions of SHIB tokens and are just waiting for Robinhood platform listing. But recently we got a great news which states that Robinhood is coming with a SHIB listing very soon. Crypto Twitter is alive with circulating information that SHIB will be listing on Robinhood app soon. Over the last few days, there have been numerous publications and blog posts across the internet hinting at Robinhood listing the Shiba Inu coin. Robinhood is a $1 billion commissions-free stock trading app based in the United States. Robinhood app has over 25 million users. This is a colossal number and a listing would expose SHIB to non-crypto investors. Last month, even just rumors boosted Shiba price by more than 60%. What will the actual listing do? In comparison, when Doge was listed on Robinhood, it pumped by over 800% within 24 hours. In the following weeks, the buy pressure from the app and from the support of Elon Musk, Doge reached a high of 70 cents. So we can expect such a pump with this listing. Before answering this, let's quickly see what CEO of Robinhood answered about this listing. Recently, during CNBC's Made Money, Robinhood CEO Vladimir Tanev was questioned about Shiba Inu coin listing on Robinhood app. When Jim Cramer, the host of the show, asked whether or not the leading online trading app was intended to list the Shiba Inu token, he asked, okay, we like that, are they dollar cost averaging into things like what people are chatting about Shiba? Now I feel somewhat embarrassed to say that they are talking about Shiba, but that's what they are doing. Are you seeing Shiba traded? Is it on your platform or will you recognize it on your platform? Tanev said that he had heard a lot of people in that community. Tanev said that he heard much about the community of Shiba Inu coin. And further statement of Robinhood confirmed that they don't want to talk about their decision on the Shiba Inu coin listing. Yet he seemingly ducked the question and refused either to confirm or deny that the listing is indeed going to happen, prompting even more consideration. After having paused, CEO Tanev went on to mention that Robinhood only offers 7 coins and stressed that the company prioritizes safety. I think it goes back to safety first. We are not generally going to be the first to add any new asset. We wanna make sure that it goes through a stringent set of criteria. So he dodged the question and neither confirmed nor denied the Shiba Inu listing on Robinhood by saying, we only offer 7 coins currently and I think it goes back to safety first. So we are not generally going to be the first to add any new asset. We want to make sure that it goes through a stringent set of criteria, and we are very proud of our cryptocurrency platform and giving people more utility with the coins they have. As a matter of fact, we rolled out our wallet wait list. A lot of people have been asking us for the ability to send and receive cryptocurrencies. transfer them to hard wallet, transfer them onto the platform, consolidate. And you know, the crypto wallet wait list is well over a million people now, which is very exciting. We see an opportunity to continue growing that business. But the good point is Robinhood not even denied these rumors. So according to experts, Robinhood is all set to list Shiba Inu but wants to make the value of their own announcement than rumors. But how will this listing of SHIB on Robinhood affect the price of Shiba Inu? Listing of Shiba Inu coin on one of the biggest crypto exchanges will give the coin massive exposure and more investors will rush to buy the coin. We all know that price of crypto depends on supply and demand. If the demand increases, then the price of the coin will also get a boost. Now let's find when this listing is going to happen and how much price boost can we expect at what time. According to crypto enthusiasts, Robinhood is working to make it a bug-free listing and making servers ready to handle intense trade pressure. Further, security and stability are what Robinhood is concerned about. These are the major reasons listing is getting delayed. Still, we can hear the news of confirmation from the side of Robinhood by any time in this ending quarter. Shiba Inu has more potential than Dogecoin, and according to us, if Robinhood lists Shiba Inu now, Shiba Inu will definitely cut one zero out and will give a massive 10 times profit. With such a big petition, we can expect Shiba Inu on the Robinhood platform in the next few weeks. What are your thoughts about these listing? Will it help Shiba Inu to reach 1 cent? Do let us know in the comment section down below. With this, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel.